Yeah.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
And we both, it's good?
Yeah. So it shows like.
Really?
Yeah.
And it's,
Yeah.
okay. Alright, what's up guys? This is Marc, Augustine here. And in this video, we're going to talk briefly about why FBM Fox will make you successful in dropshipping on Facebook Marketplace and Facebook Shops, and why ZeeDrop won't. So like the video, subscribe. My name is Marc Augustine. I've been dropshipping for 10 years. I've been an entrepreneur for 15 years. And we're going to get into this topic right now. So who are you? Just introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Marc, and I'm a full-time dropshipper on eBay, Amazon, and now Facebook Marketplace and Facebook Shops.
And if you haven't seen us before, Marco used to be my employee, and now we are business partners. I don't currently actively dropship on Facebook or Facebook Shops or Facebook Marketplace. I'm starting like today or tomorrow, just with Marco's guidance. And what these videos are about is just about Marco's experience dropshipping. And the goal here is to help you guys understand what software to use, how to make money online with Facebook dropshipping, the advantages, disadvantages, and just general strategy to be actually successful dropshipping on Facebook shops. So like and subscribe. So yeah, so with the title talking about, I know this is kind of clickbait kinda, so like, just as a disclaimer, I get the title. It doesn't mean you can't make any money using ZeeDrop dropshipping on Facebook Shops, but there's a specific thing that Marco does that makes a big difference. So we were talking earlier, right? And like last week, FBM Fox was slow, and then we had to reach out to customer service, and it got it fixed since. But when it was, so if you guys want to try FBM Fox, there's a link in the description. And if you want to try ZeeDrop also, I'll put a link there too. So you know we're not just talking all that. But for the first thing when FBM Fox went slow, you switched to ZeeDrop, right? Like the first day. And then you just stopped dropshipping for a couple of days until it came back. Why?
Right, so my main strategy with Facebook Shops is bulk listings.
Right.
So I would pick a category or a seller on eBay or on Amazon or any other
so you could bulk list from eBay?
Huh?
You could bulk list? Ah, so whoa. So anyway, go ahead. Yeah.
Right. So I'm using that strategy, and the best thing to do is grabbing the best performing sellers on eBay or Amazon. Grab their listings and then put them in the bulk list in FBM Fox, and it would list everything on the Facebook Shops. So it's like a lot easier than just clicking on every listing that you find with ZeeDrop. So ZeeDrop doesn't have that feature.
The bulk listing.
The bulk listing feature.
So that makes that much of a difference.
It makes a huge difference.
Because, so this is the thing, right? When Marc had stopped, he's like, you're going to ZeeDrop. I was like, dude, you can't go to ZeeDrop. We have a course that's coming out soon, and you can check the course in the description. That with us using FBM Fox, right? But then you tried ZeeDrop, and what? It just took too much time?
It takes me, okay. So I did a test, and basically what takes me 20 minutes to do on FBM Fox, it takes me 3-4 hours to do it with ZeeDrop. So that's
so it's possible, but it's just not as effective.
It is possible, but it's not as effective. No.
Right. Huh? And do you think so? If you had to do, so it takes 20 minutes for you to do what you do on FBM Fox, and if you think you had to run the account full time with ZeeDrop, so it takes 20 by 3, 12 times the amount of time.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Yeah.
And how much is ZeeDrop? It's cheaper.
Okay, it is cheaper, but it's not. I mean, for my strategy, for what I'm doing, it's just not reliable. It just doesn't work.
Right. Okay.
I mean, it could be like $1 or so, but
yeah, you're still not gonna have the strategy. Yeah, you're not gonna make the money.
You're not gonna make the money I'm making.
Yeah, so imagine you choose ZeeDrop over, and this is not an ad for FBM Fox, right? But Imagine you choose ZeeDrop over FBM Fox and you have to do 12 times the amount of work to get the same result. That's some fucking shit.
It's tiring.
No matter how many VAs you hire, that's a waste of time and waste of money. Huh. So right, so I didn't know where this video would go, but like and subscribe. Shout out to ZeeDrop, shout out to FBM Fox, shout out to all the other dropshippers out there. What's that dude? Cameron. This
Cameron.
Yeah, Ecom Tom. Like, subscribe, comment, ask us any questions about Facebook Marketplace, Facebook Shops. Check out Marco's course in the description. If you've seen this right after you post the video, the cost might be $100, like $97. If you see it after, it'll be more expensive. So if you, whatever price you see today is going to be cheapest you ever see that after. Peace.